Okay, I have your geometry practice test pulled up here. I think there's a glare right here. I tried my best, so if you can't see it, maybe have the practice test pulled up on your computer to help you. But I'm just gonna go over, I think, 4 questions that people seem to be getting wrong, just to make sure we're ready for our test tomorrow. And just a disclaimer, I am the only one in the classroom right now, so no one come for me because I'm not wearing my mask, okay? No one's in here with me, I promise. So, for number 1, it says, what is the measure of angle G and M in the parallelogram? When you take this test tomorrow, you need to have your graphic organizer out looking at it. So, because in the parallelogram box, it tells us opposite angles are equal to each other. M and G are opposite each other. So that means whatever G is, that's going to be your answer for M as well. Now, down here by F, it says 80. On the other side of 80 would also be 40. Because 40 up at the top are alternate interior angles. So the entire angle of letter F is 120 when I do 80 plus 40. And I know F and G are on the same side of your parallelogram, so they add up to 180. So 180 minus 120 is going to give you 60. And that's going to be G, which is also going to give you M, because G and M are the same, because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal to each other. So answer for this one is going to be B. Okay, both are going to be 60. Okay, which other one do I want to go over? I wanted to go over number 5 with you. Okay, number 5. There's 2 of these on your test tomorrow. So it says DM is 30, and the entire thing is equal to 6y, and then it says solve for y. Well, in a parallelogram, the diagonals are cut in half. So if DM is 30, that means the rest of the way from M to B is also 30. So the whole thing is 60. So 60 equals 6y. Divide side by 6, and y would be 10. So the correct answer to that would be C. It would be 10. So there's number 5. And the last one I wanted to go over with you is number 9. Okay, find the values of H, W, and D in the rhombus below. So, whoopsies. 24 and 4H plus 40 are on the sides of the rhombus. The sides of a rhombus are all the same. So you're going to set equal 24 and 4H plus 40. So 24 equals 4H plus 40. And when you solve for H, you get H equals 4. Now, W is going to be 90. Because again, on your graphic organizer in the rhombus box, it says your diagonals meet at 90 degrees. And then you can form a triangle here in your rhombus. You know the middle angle is 90. I also know up here is going to be 37 because in a rhombus the angle is cut in half, so that's going to be 37. So to find D, well now since it's a triangle, all 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180. So you're going to do 37 plus 90, subtract that one from 80, and you get D equals 53. So A is going to be your answer for number 9. So make sure you do the practice test, email me with questions, and then your test is going to be tomorrow.